So students, here in this video we will discuss about indifference curve analysis of consumer equilibrium is based on some assumption. So when we discuss about consumer equilibrium, that means when we discuss about consumer's best position with indifference curve analysis, we have to assume some things. We have to assume some points. We have to assume some points. We have to assume some points means that we have to take into consideration some statements. Like, the first assumption of indifference curve analysis is money income of the consumer is given. Money income, that means income of the consumer, that means income of the consumer is given. That means when we talk about or discussing indifference curve analysis, at that time consumer income must be fixed. That means consumer income must be constant. Given means consumer's income will not change when we are discussing indifference curve analysis. When we are discussing indifference curve analysis, at that time consumer's income must be fixed or constant. That means given, it will not change. Next point is consumer spends all his income. Consumer spends all his income. Consumer spends all his income on two goods. Okay, on two goods, X and Y. This is the assumption that consumer spends all his income on two goods, X and Y. Whether these goods may be a substitute goods, whether these goods may be a complementary goods, whatever will be the goods, whether normal, inferior, whatever will be the goods, consumer spends all his income on two goods, X and Y. Okay. Third point is consumer's preference for the two goods is well defined. So preference must be well defined. Preference must be well defined. Preference must be well defined. Preference must be well defined means consumer may more consume of X, less of Y, or consumer may consume more of Y, less of X. Okay, so consumer's preference must be well defined. Whether consumer likes X goods or whether consumer likes Y more Y goods. Okay, so consumer's preference must be well defined, whether consumer prefer more of X, less of Y, or consumer preference more of Y, less of X. Okay, fourth point is more of good always gives more satisfaction. So as we consume more of a good, the good will gives more satisfactions. That is why the fourth point is more of a good always gives more satisfaction. Always gives more satisfaction to the consumer. Okay, more of a goods always gives more satisfaction to the consumer. That means we have two goods, X and Y. So if we consume 10 units of X and 5 units of Y, then definitely X will give more satisfaction, Y will give less satisfaction. This is the fourth assumption, is as we consume more of a good, the good will give more satisfaction, and as we consume less of a good, the good will give less satisfactions. Okay, this is the fourth assumption. The fourth assumption is called monotonic preference. This is called a monotonic This is called a monotonic preference. Okay. Number 5th is consumer is rational. Consumer is rational. Consumer rational means he always, whenever he go to market, he will bargain with the sellers. That is why he is rational. Okay. If he is a fool, then he cannot bargain with the sellers. If he is a rational, only then he can bargain with the sellers in the market, and always tries to maximize his satisfactions. That is why it is given here that consumer is a rational. So there are 5 points of the indifference curve analysis assumption. There are 5 assumptions we have to take to analyze indifference curve analysis. Number 1 is income must be constant. Consumer spends all his income on two goods X and Y. Preference must be well defined. Preference must be well defined means whether consumer prefer more of X or less of Y, or more of Y less of X. 4th point is more of a good. If we consume more of a good, that good will give more satisfaction. If we consume less of a good, that good will give less of a satisfaction. Okay. 5th point is consumer is rational. Consumer rational means always try to maximize his satisfaction. In the next video, we will discuss about indifference curve and indifference set. Thank you.